Good evening, everybody. Hope all is well. It's time for another What Can I Cook in a Van? Tonight, I'm going to have some New York strip steak over some whole grain brown rice with a side of coconut breaded butterfly shrimp. All this cooked in a van. Right now, I've got the air fryer going. Got the shrimp in that. I just microwaved the rice for 90 seconds. Yes, I know. Microwave rice, whatever. Hey, it works. But after the air fryer's done, I'm going to cut that stove on and I'm going to simmer this steak up real good. And we're going to put that over the rice and have some shrimp to go along with it. I'll be back shortly with more results. Alright, we're back. I cheated tonight. I didn't dice up an onion. I'm using a little minced onion. And of course, Lawry's seasoning salt. I got a bit of it on the steak right now, just sitting there waiting for this pan to butter up. Air fryer's done. The shrimp's all nice and warm. The rice is still sitting in the microwave staying warm. Now it's just time to simmer up a steak. There we go again, watching a steak sizzle. As I stated before, I used microwave rice. But the stuff's not that bad. And it got so many different flavors and types and all this, that, and the other. It's just a 90-second rice. Hey, it gives a good base to a meal. Especially when you top it with something like that. And of course, once again, yeah. Every darn them shrimps look like they're almost too done, but you know what? That's what they came out the pack looking like, so, you know, they just cooked and frozen. You just throw them in the air fryer and warm them up. It's all good. Finna flip that steak over. Oh, nom. Yeah. You're going to put a little bit of seasoning on that side of it. I think I got plenty of onion in there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that sit there in the pan, put a lid over it, turn the heat down a little bit, and I'm just going to let that simmer. Oh yeah, this is going to be a good meal. Boy, I wish y'all could smell this. Oh, what do you think of my new pan? I went to Walmart and got me a copper non-stick pan. It's made without all poisons that they put in non-stick surfaces or whatever. It's one of them new ceramic non-stick pans. I love it. I was able to fry an egg in this pan the other day without any butter, and I flipped it without breaking it. Usually when I try to make a fried egg, it ends up scrambled. But this pan, no, I love it. Yes, there's butter in there now, but you know, I gotta have something for the seasonings to simmer in as I'm cooking the steak, but you know, it's whatever. This thing's just about done. I'll be back shortly. And there it is. Yeah, beautiful steak. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these shrimps out of there. Let me turn that off. Push this back a little bit. I'd hate to dump this whole plate on the floor, wouldn't it? That would suck. But we're just gonna dump the shrimps out of there. And this coconut flavored breaded shrimp comes with a packet of stuff. I laid it on the other side of the stove so it would warm up and at least be at room temperature. We'll see how it goes. But I almost forgot the best part of this. Boy, I tell you what, that's the fat guy cooking right there. That's gonna just about do it for this episode of What Can I Cook in the Van. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.